Hi everyone, my name is Teja Dwarapareddy. I am from SQPA team, IDFC FIRST Bank, working as a team lead for APN Telangana. After this training, definitely I am sure I have learned so many new techniques and new methodologies which can apply on my daily life, whether it is personal and professional. It will be very useful how to deal with the team members and how to be with the seniors. All these role plays and activities is very much helpful. Infrastructure and faculty of this IRMA, it's very nice. That food and the accommodation and gym facilities, library, all these are very much useful, and I'm feeling like it's a homestay. And faculty, they are having very much of good experience, like Madhavi ma'am. I am very glad and thanking my seniors and IRMA to be part of here. Thank you.
Good evening everyone. My name is Naveen Binwal. I am working as a process manager for IDFC FIRST Bank in rural banking vertical. So recently I got a great opportunity to attend MDP, that is the Leadership Development Program with IRMA. This experience was much more than that I anticipated in the beginning. The leadership program in the IRMA, it is a mix of group task, it is a mix of classroom trainings, role plays and everything. It doesn't only teach you how to be a good leader, it teaches you how to be a good motivator, how to be a good mentor, or how to be a good coach as and when needed by your team members. It also teaches you to develop followers in your team, not only developing the subordinates or not only developing a particular characteristic in them. It is how you nurture your team, how you grow your team for their benefit as well as for your benefit. And talking about my experience, the infrastructure, the facility, hospitality of this institute has been so great, and I am very overwhelmed. And today is the last day of the training, and I will really miss it. And I look forward to be a part of the next training session soon with this organization. And the experience of the teachers, the faculty members, those who have designed the program, they have vast experience in the corporate and as well as academic field. So their experiences also helped us to get the insights on how to be a good and charismatic leaders. So I would recommend everyone that at least once you should attend this training program and see the change in yourself. Thanks.